Hello guys, we're going to disassemble and assemble this computer system. We have here the computer system unit and the tools, which are the brush, screwdrivers, flashlight, and anti-static.
The first thing to do is to unplug the computer system unit.
Remove all your accessories including the earrings, ring, watch, necklace, and etc.
Wear your anti-static and remove the system case. Remove all the cables that is connected to the motherboard.
Unscrew and remove the power supply.
Unscrew and remove the motherboard.
Next, unscrew and remove the hard disk drive.
Remove the dust in your computer system unit using brush.
Screw the motherboard.
Screw the power supply.
Screw the hard disk drive.
Next, connect all the cables that is connected to the motherboard. And lastly, screw the computer system case.